Okay, everyone, wait for Ian and just watching the video. Okay,
So the silence that allows for my mind to run around with my ear up to the ground.
like guys, please like.
To behold the stories that I told when my back is to the world.
Oh.
Smiling when I turn.
What? Yeah. Oh.
The misery. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Sympathy.
No. Oh.
My enemy.
Thank you.
Guys,
Good or bad?
good.